currently getting a massage while I'm delivering it to my customer. This was a Black Label customer. I did decide to get them a little bag of coffee. Lincoln Aviator Black Label, currently doing the hands-free Blue Cruise driving. This is a very, very comfortable ride, allowing this Blue Cruise to drive for me. Delivering this Lincoln Aviator, this is the pristine white Black Label with the Moonbeam interior. It has Google Assistant, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, massaging seats, heated and cooled in the rear and in the front, and massaging in the front. I think I already said that, but the Blue Cruise function is for 4 years. It'll change lanes for you. All you got to do is press that and it switches once it can detect that my eyes are on the road, of course. Now it's going to ask me if I want to switch lanes again, because now we're going less of what my cruise control is set up to be. So if I switch back over, it's going to go back up to 72 miles an hour. Now there's an eye thing right here, sensor, and it'll work with sunglasses on. I like this interior, however, it's way too white for me because I know that I would get it dirty. I'm very active and stuff, so if you know, are somebody who notices you get stains on your clothing every once in a while like I do, maybe get a color that is darker. That's going to be it really for this review. I mean, there is Google Assistant and a bunch of features in here, but while I'm driving, I don't really care to show you all that. But truly a great car from Ford, honestly. This Lincoln is definitely high up there when it comes to competition and what it offers. The Blue Cruise is 4 years for free as well. Well, you know, the car's 95 grand, so it's not really free, but wow, it's even changing lanes now for me. That's crazy. I didn't even do that. What the heck? Oh, it keeps telling me that it can't see my eyes. Now we're back. It got a little worried for a second there because it saw my eyes weren't looking at the road. If I look away, like say I look into the trees, currently looking away, it's gonna say it, watch the road. I switch my eyes back to the road, and boom. It's very impressive stuff. Got a Prius over here, driving like a Nissan Altima or Lamborghini. Very quiet though. You know why it's so quiet in here? Every Black Label has the double pane acoustic glass in the windshield as well as the front two windows. And I'm not sure about the rear. I know the Navigator has all 6, but yeah, this is a great car, honestly, man. This is very impressive.